and this is my little brother, Aedan. So for today's video, we are going to open 2 new toys in the from the mall, Pagadian. Yeah, there's an actuator, like a stair or a moving one. So let's start opening. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't skip ads. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, Mom and Dad, buying us this, giving us all this Pagadian. So we forgot the seesaw. Oh no! There's a tape. Oh my god! Wow! Josh and Aedan family vlog. Yeah.
So you need to open this first. Okay, the first toy.
Guys, we're showing the unboxed. Wow. Laser yellow. And now let's take sorry. Hey, can you open it? The molder, there's a store, there's a glass, a circle, and 3 circles, and an X. There's another molder, there's a triangle, 2 squares, and flower, I think a flower, and the letter H, and this rectangle. And there's a bowl, red banana, and this? What's this? I don't know. This. Oh. And this plate where you can put foods. And this is where you make waffles. Should we cut it? You do it. You do it. It's yours. Whoa! Oh my god! Wow! This is what Aedan made, and I'm gonna make my own. Oh my god! I'm the pale purple. This is what the color he picked, and this is the color that I picked. Oh no. Show it to the camera, show it to the camera. A little hair. Show it like that. A little hair. A little hair. So they can see you. So let's cut it. Okay, cut it. I made another you help me? What? I am making a noodle. That's not yet done. A little cook. Wait, I need bread for What are you doing? I'm making pancakes. Oh God, so thick. So fat. I'm taking off the hair. Oh, the smell. Yeah, getting a burger. From his nose. Oh, there's a big burger. It's just a clay. I was just joking, boys. Meat. Say hi to them. Hi. So this is going to be because I made rice and a meat, so I need a spaghetti. Are you still using that? Yes. I need a spaghetti. Oh my gosh, this is thing. Oh, hello guys. Let's change this boy here. Ew! Ew! There's some brown hair. There's some brown hair. Yeah. Look, my spaghetti looks so adorable. Oh, Dad, squish it. No, it's dead. Ah! Oh no. But you're still using it.
1 hour later.
That was weird. Banana. And look, what does the brown things? I need to take off it. Aedan, can you please quick? Yeah, almost done taking off your hair. Quick. Hindi mo kita di. Any shape. Squish it. Oh, can I help you? What are you doing? I'm taking off the hair. Like, Aedan, can you please be quick? I'm making spaghetti. Yes, I know. I'm being for the camera. Just squish it hard. Then you can be awkward. I'll squish it hard. No. I'm stronger. I'm not strong. They done. Okay, just wait. Wow, you're not that strong. You can just squish it in the table. Oh my! Kiss ba? Wait, yeah, hold. Let's squish it together. Squish it together.
Look what I am doing.
Should we make this a people? Okay, let's make the hair longer. No, it's bald now. He's a baldy. Oh wow! What?
What's in it now?
Oh! Now I can have some small things. There. I have my ice cream. This is mine. Oh my gosh, the brown. After this one, Aedan, we have to play the next. The yellow don't taste really nice, but the way out of
1 minute 37 seconds later.
And if we have slime, do not mix it with clay because it will melt. Well, this clay looks like slime though, but not slime. Just like this. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't skip our videos. And try to delete our house. Why delete the house? Hi. Say don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our toys. Don't delete our channels. It's just fun videos. And don't skip our ads. Don't skip our ads because we're playing this nice toy. Did you say little brother Josh? Big brother Josh. Big.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow! For more videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.